Hola bafethu, greetings. Dumela bafethu kumahaya, sanibona lapha emakhaya. Once again, igama uSipho Hadebe, as you know by now. Of course, bafethu, this is Paranormal Show, where you are welcome wherever you are in your own leisure, in your own space. We just want to say thank you guys for watching us. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for choosing us, actually. So, guys, we would like to emphasize the thousands to millions of viewers and subscribers that you guys are showing us love. Thank you so much once again. A million thank yous. In fact, they're never enough. But we just want to say from the bottom of our hearts as a Soweto podcast, we'd like to say thank you guys. So yeah, stay tuned. You're welcome. Soweto podcast is where you are. Sanibona sis.
Njani?
Uyaphila njani?
100.
All right, Scott.
Hadebe.
Hayi no, ngiyabonga. Yazi benginenye ichomi yami igama lakhe bekuRegina.
Okay.
Yeah, so watholakala ukuthi mangubheka ukufanela naye mara ithi siyeke ngeRegina. All right, Stanazam.
Hayi great.
No, it's good to have you on the show.
It's good, it's nice.
Yeah, no, it's good, it's nice.
Yes.
Okay. You are in the best show in the land, Soweto podcast today.
Yes.
Okay, Stanazam, before we go any further, can you please just brace us with the introduction of telling us who you are, nokuthi uphuma phi, ukhule kanjani, and why ungifanela noRegina as well? Izimcelo sazisa.
Hayi uRegina.
Yeah.
Usisi wami omdala ni.
Usisi wakho omdala.
Usungangibiza ngaye phuma kwefamily we are 5. And then mina ngilo phakathi nendawo the third one.
Okay.
Then ngikhule I was a person who is not naughty. Ongafuni the wrong. That is why it was not good for the little ones udlala nami abalingana nami because mina ngizosho ukuthi kwenzakaleni.
Bopayisa.
Especially masitshontsho ushukela nama chocolate lapha ekhabetheni stuff like that. Abayenzi nami because izophuma.
Okay. At your young age, you were like that already.
Yes.
Okay.
Engangi-enjoya ukubhema upetrol from i-generator. Besine generator ekhaya. Yazi ngaleso sikhathi ugesi wawungekho. Ngalesikhathi salamafoni ayethi. Mawufona.
Oh yes.
Yeah. So kwakune generator sasikhanyisa ngayo, senza ini ngayo. So besibhema lapha sonke. Ngiyabona leyo bengiyithanda kabi.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Bengabapayisi until one day ubhuti saphuma Friday masiphuma esikoleni siphuma early. Yena kaphumi early, but that.
Hey guys, I've been making money and it's all thanks to the Pranav system. In just a couple of days, these are my earnings. Let me show you how it works. Right now, I have the Pranav system in my hand. It predicts that the multiplier will reach 6.95 times. So I am placing a $10 bet with an auto cash out at 5 times. Guys, I just made $53 in just one game. Just one game. Let's try again. Now, I am placing a $50 bet with an auto cash out at 5.10 times and the multiplier is at 9 times. Another win for me, $255 from just $13. That's insane. What is important is how do you get the Pranav system? As you can see, I have just withdrew $258. Click the link in the description or on the pinned comment. After doing that, Bafethu, click the get button. After clicking the get button, message Pranav, and that's how you get the system. Guys, I tell you, a lot of people are making a whole lot of money. So to start earning, click the link on the description and you get the Pranav system for free. So what is it going to be?
Waphuma early. Wasithola sibhizi.
Nibhema.
Yeah, sibhema. Ngaphuma ngefastela. Emnyango sasikhile. Wathatha iball pen wayifaka lapha. Wathi go, wapush. Okay. Yes. Hayi zenzeka. Khipha ibhande. Sibula madoda mina ngajumpa ngagibela embhedeni ngajumpela efasteleni phandle. That was the last day.
Bona ngakhe ngaleso sikhathi.
I was 8 years.
8 years. Okay,
yes.
Cool.
Ngangayifuni ibenzini because izinto ezazenziwa abantu ababhema ibenzini, it was not making sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't like it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bantu bagijima bebanjwa bayenzani. Yes, that was me.
Ukhule kanzima.
Not that much, but challenged.
Ukhulela kuphi emakhaya or la elokishini?
Yes.
Oh, ukhulela emakhaya.
Hayi lokishini.
Okay.
Sithwala amanzi emlanjeni, emfuleni.
So both strict nje since growing up. Or disciplined
Bengazwani
rather?
into ebhedayo. Ebhedayo nje. Hayi.
Okay. Azwane into ebhedayo.
Hayi.
Okay.
Bengazwani into ebhedayo.
All right, stand up. Mofethu, please don't forget lapha emakhaya. Do like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Sesingena endabeni-ke manje no-sister, sifuna ukuzwa ukuthi usiphatheleni. Sithando sami usivakashele today.
Yebo.
Once again, thank you for coming to the show.
You're more than welcome.
Okay. You've got a story for us.
All right. Istory sami it's for senzeke 14 years back.
Okay.
Yes. It was 2011. If ku 2011 it happens ukuthi bekunogogo la. Gogo bekaqhamuka from the other country outside South Africa.
Okay.
Athengelwe uNdodlana indlu from edrobheni sasihlala kulo. Remember mina bengihlala emakhaya besithenga something edrobheni and I go to church edrobheni.
Okay.
So makamthengela indlu ke then wayesehlala no grandson umfana wakhe umzukulu.
Okay,
Yes.
cool.
Ubaba kamzukulu usebenza abroad. Uhamba all around the world. So makahlala naye ke it happens ukuthi he got married. Yadlula first year, the second year umakoti she got pregnant. I didn't know that. Ngizokutshela ukuthi ngaze kanjani.
Okay.
I think she was around 8 months ne. Ngithola i-call kugogo. Ugogo was a very close somebody to me because bekangithatha njengendodakazi yakhe. So uyacela umkhuleko ukuthi umakoti uphumile uye kwa-doctor. But akekho right. Not that much ukuthi akakwazi ukwenzani. Wangena emotweni wahamba waya kwa-doctor. Maya kwa-doctor, udoctor wathi uyam-admit. Ne? Wafonela ubaba wayese somewhere kuma meetings ngomsebenzi.
Or the son.
Yeah, the son kagogo.
Lo mthengile umuzi ne?
Yes. Mabemfonela ukuthi mama akekho right umakoti. Wathi okay, but it just keep on checking her ukuthi ubanjani. So kwaphela 2 hours wathi she's getting critical. If aba critically it costed ukuthi asuke from the meetings afonele ekhaya khabo makoti umama nobaba bezoza bazombona. Asuke ubhuti uyafika umkakhe akekho right ngempela. In a couple of minutes, strangely, she passed away with the pregnancy. Nomntwana. Sharp. Then ugogo ke uye wangitshela yonke lenyaka yokuthi kwenzakaleni. Esengitshela ngo 8 o'clock at night. Makoti usuke ekhaya around about 10. So ugogo akangaba sharp. The following day, the second day, wa admitwa naye. Ugogo. Maka admitwa ugogo, umfana usesele yedwa se nobaba. Kulindwe ini ama family because ama family they were coming outside the country. Ukuzongcwaba. Okay? Fika ke ilanga lo lenkonzo la Friday ufika kwesidumbu. Ugogo kangithi bese admitiwe walethwa iambulance yaphela inkonzo waphindela esibhedlela.
Okay.
Sa ekseni sekuzohamba umzimba uyobekwa. Ugogo walethwa wahamba wayobeka umakoti wakhe wabuya futhi straight to the hospital.
Okay.
All right. Kube Monday yakhona. Monday ubhuti lo use frustrated manje ama-family ahambile amanye asahamba. Indaba inani unomntwana lo ukuthi uzosala nobani. Umfana beyenza grade 2.
Okay.
Mine's grade 2 ke he went to the church. Wacela kumfundisa ukuthi ubani maybe that I'm trustayo who can remain with the kid nomuzi wakhe. Okay. Mfundisi asuggeste mina ke because bengu Sunday school ministry. Right. Angitshele mayengitshela ngithi mina I don't have a problem as long as ngizoya emsebenzini. And then ngithi mina protocol observed. Go to the parents at home, angiye emzini abantu ekhaya bengazi ukuthi ngiyaphi. Bavume okay ngihambe ke ukuhamba kwami ukuyo observe ngoba ubhuti ungicela ukuthi ufuna ngizobona ukuthi ini yenziwa njani kuphi kwenziwa njani umfana ngesikhathi uphatha ini all those things. Okay, that was the first day ngizo-check-a ukuthi kwenziwa njani. Ngiphethe ibag yami ngizohlala manje ne. Ubusuku bakhona ne. Maqedwa isapha ngiyageza amabhodo ngikhipha ukudla ngithi ngifake efrijini. Ngiyaklina ngenza ama-touch up ukuthi kusasa mangibuye emsebenzini ngingabi nomsebenzi omunye phezu komunye umsebenzi.
Okay.
Qede ngihambe ngiyogeza ngiyolala. Round about abo 11 12 ngaleso sikhathi ngiyolala. Ngizwe somebody ungena front door. Kukhiwe. Ngena front door, udlule passaging, sitting room, straight to the kitchen. Ne? Makafika uyazwakala inyawo ukuthi unomuntu.
Footsteps yaziza.
Hayi ke avulela amanzi. Makavulela amanzi ngizwe mina because of umsindo wama-pipe from a bathroom. Uyezwakala if uvula amanzi ngaphandle ongale endlini ka-auntie or ama-sprinklers awaterisha the garden. Ukuthi lo muntu ayibonanga ubusy esinkini sekukhala izitsha namabhodwe. Kanjani ngoba ngiwashila izitsha namabhodwe and stuff like that. But ngilalele ukuthi kwenzakalani. Mara ngibuye ngithi ayisuka. It's my mind. Maybe psychologically. Maybe I'm tired. And it's because bekushoniwe vele la ekhaya. It's a first week. Fresh week and uyazi ukuthi makade kushoniwe ukuthi kunesithunzana nje esifani. Ayibona into enjalo. Hayi aqede about 4 o'clock. Ahambe. Makahamba mina umbhede wami useceleni kwefastela omfana ungapha eceleni. Ngivula ikhetini ngibheka ukuthi ngizombona mayephuma ngegate ukuthi ubani. Zange ngimbone. Waphelela lapha front door la angene khona.
Mara uzwile izitsha uzwile amabhodo yonke into izwe kahle nje.
Kahle.
Okay.
Following day ngivuke after leyo something leyo engayi understand ukuthi yini. Ngivuke ke ngilungise mina nomntwana sikoleni nami ngihambe ngemsebenzini. Mangibuya angithi sekusele ufirstborn kababa la ekhaya.
Okay.
Ubaba la ekhaya phela abantu asebesele. Ugogo lo ngoba angithi begula maka usesibhedlela. Ukuphuma my discharge esibhedlela usisi wakhe outside the country wacela ukuthi akabuyele ngale ekhaya so that they can take care of her and in case uyadlula emhlabeni kungabi nenkinga to transport isidumbu to the other across the border.
Okay.
Right. Hambile ugogo ke sisele nalaba abantu abayi2 umfana ngimbali. So ngimbuze lo ifirstborn kababa lo. Ebusuku ubuwenzani ngoba izitsha bengiyigezile ngaklina konke, but in the middle of the night ngizwe ugeza izitsha namabhodwe upheka nanokupheka because kwakunuko anyanisi no garlic ebhizi. Uthi hayi aunty angizange ngivuke. Hayi ngithi oh okay. Ngikhuphule engqondweni zami ngithi ngiya understand namayithi azange avuke because ukube uvukile bengizomuzwa ephuma ekamereni edlule passage ephuma ngepassage eyali azange ngimuzwe sharp. It happened the following day ngimtshele futhi ukuthi what happened, the very same thing happened. Akangakhuluma nami bekumuntu ozohlala maybe about 3 weeks la ekhaya. Watshela ubaba wakhe wathi ngicela uphelezele ngemabhasini ngihambe ngiye esikoleni.
Intombazana leyo.
Yes. The following day ubaba ahambe. Sesiseleke nomfana ne. Sesele so-2. Uyeza usisi the very same thing. Uyazizwa izigi zendoda nezigi zani zomuntu osifazane ne ama footstep. So wayenza leyo into yakhe ayijwayele. But that day angithi ubaba akasekho. That day wangena epassage waye ekamereni labo. Shaya icapha, washaya icapha, bhakaza icapha. Bangivuka ekseni mina. Ngithi ngiyocheck ukuthi kwenzakalani before ngihambe ngimsebenzini. Lento kade ngiyizwa. I was expecting ukuthi ama makeup wakhe alapha phansi nezimpahla kade ezikhiphe wardrobe, but it was not like that.
So awuvuki wena uhamba uyocheck wenza isiqiniseko ukuthi hayi man.
Ngithi ngifuna ukubona ukuthi lento izophelela laphi.
So awuvuka throughout since. Okay.
Benginaleyo nto ukuthi ngifuna ukubona ukuthi how far it will go. Ekishini akunakudla okuphekiwe but bekuphekwa izolo.
Okay.
Angithi bekunuko anyanisi kunuko garlic yonke lento. Ayikho yonke leyo nto. Hayi ngihambe. Iqhubeke. It took about 3 months to 2 months. Yenzeka leyo nto. If in between of those months I've asked for umkhuleko ukuthi esontweni basilethele umkhuleko ne. Then mabeqeda ukuthandaza ngibiza home cell leader ngimbriefe kancane but ngingamtsheli ukuthi kwenzakalani. And ubaba la ekhaya angimtshela ukuthi kwenzakalani after ehambile. I'm avoiding ukuthi ngoba usamona usasenaleyo nto leyo. Yeah. So home cell leader ngimtshela ukuthi there's this and that but ngayisho indaba straight ukuthi kwenzakalani because ngabona i-facial appearance yakho ukuthi ungathi uthanda ukuba ne-trauma kancane ngathi hayi thingumyeke hayi wahamba
as a home cell leader.
Yes.
Abantu abalethe umkhuleko.
Yes.
Waba ne-stress umuntu.
Mase ngisengitshela ukuthi there's this thing that is happening and stuff like that.
And akumele kube ama-warriors in the forefront ukuthi hayi siyabuphi yithe sizola phambili it's fine ungawari.
It was not like adding up kuye. Okay. Ahambe. Then angithi libele yenzeka leyo nto. One day kuyi Friday umntwana benomkhuba ukuthi acele ngama Friday acele ukuthi auntie ngicela ukuyodlala ngale next door.
Okay.
Sizodlala nama game futhi ebusuku ngizobuya ekseni. Ngithi must tell your father mina ngi right ungaya lapho but ungahambi ungatshela ngibaba. Hambe kumfana ngisale mina ngibuye esikoleni ngenze konke bese sengiyogeza ke manje ne.
Kusemasababuseni.
Yes.
Abo cheese girls. Okay.
Ngingayishaweni ngingene ebhavini emanzini ne. Mangisangena emanzini ngize something heavy like an environment engekho right. But inganaki ngithi maybe it's because all along I haven't been sleeping. And sengibona ama flames nje angekho. Sengizwa izinto ezingekho. ayiqhubeke mangigeza ubuso ngithela amanzi ebusweni ngizwe isandla singibamba la entameni singigwilisa emanzini ebhavini like this ngimemeze ngigwile ngiqhashaqhashe angasisusa isandla ngishaya umthandazo omncane singiyeke maka ngiyeka sengihleli ebhavini manje I'm thinking about what is happening. It's life. It was not my mind that is playing me. Mangithi nyakaza ebhavini, I can't move. I can't move even my feet. Just ukuthi ngiphume emanzini. Ngashaya umthandazo omncane. Ngajump emanzini. Phuma emanzini, ngadonsa igawuni emva kwesicapha. Aphuma ngabaleka endlini. Phuma ngegate. Gcwala itrati negawuni 6 p.m.
6 p.m.
Yes.
Uyaphi?
Ngiyabaleka ngibalekela lento kade ngibambi inhloko la ngifaka emanzini. Sengisamoya ngibuyi ingqondo ibuye ngithi umntwana usele yi1. Siswitch off manje le ndaba yokuthi kade ngifakwe emanzini lapho. But it's real. Phindele emuva. I'm very jealous ngabantwana ne. That's me. Phindele emuva. Mangiphindele emuva mangifika eminyango I just pray. I prayed. Ngiyeza ukuthi yasuka this thing and environment iba clear. Ingene qedele whatever that I was doing, jump into the bed ngilale. Same time angithi wenza njalo unkunzana. Yangena wash izitsha, cleaner, yapheka, yaqeda lapho yaphuma, uyangena ekamereni labo ushaya icapha. It's an everyday thing. Everyday thing. Several days ziphele kube khona another spuku ke manje. Lo angithi ujwayele ukuyenza lento le ayenzayo. Angene aye ekamereni labo. Ne? Lesi sipoko esangena sangena eminyango wethu no boy. Ekamereni. Sangena, it was a pregnant woman.
The second ghost.
Yes. Wangena wayima phakathi nembhede yethu la. Angibheka, akabheka uboy. Angibheka nami ngimbhekile.
Uyasibona ke manje lesipoko.
Lo oshubhizi lo ngale ushama ama wardrobe. Lo omunye usemile la usibhekene manje.
Umlungu umuntu omnyama indini.
It's a black woman.
A black woman.
Manje mina ngimele ukuthi asho ukuthi ufunani. Ngisendlini yakhe or ufuna ukusizwa or what. When I was still watching, looking at her, I disappeared.
How do you know she was pregnant?
She was pregnant.
Oh, she was pregnant.
Yes.
Literally you could see.
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe she was 9 months because the tummy was very big.
Okay.
Wanyamalala. Lapha zange aphume ngomnyango angene ngawo. Every day bebenza bobo ayi2 bese benza njalo. Lo beka hamba straight ayokwenza lento ayenza ekamereni labo. Lo angene pregnant ayime futhi angakhulumi bese ayanyamalala.
Every day she'd literally do that.
On my mind, as I was saying, Guti, oh, I'm that person ngifuna ukubona ukuthi izogcina plan. Izophelela phi lento. That was on that time sengifonela ubaba wala endlini ke manje. Angimfonela la endlini ngikhulume anything about that la endlini because I don't know whether bakhona or not. Mfonele ngisemsebenzini. Mangimfonela to my surprise akathuki ukuthi emzini wami ungitshela ngaleyo nto ukuthi khona leyo nto. Athi oh.
Asho kanjalo.
Athi oh. Afike Friday kuphela inyanga, that's the norm ajwayele ukuyenza ukuthi ufika ngaleso sikhathi. Afike asayikhulumi leyo ndaba yokuthi wat khanandi la endlini. Hayi kushaya isikhathi sokulala silale, aphinde futhi uNkunzana. Angithi akakaze wangena ekamereni ubaba la ekhaya akhona. Makahamba ubaba la ekhaya bekagcina la ngapha this side. Ukuhamba kwakhe ubaba, that's where she started to ayongena lapha. So wangena ke this time waqonda straight ekamereni. Wenza lento ayijwayele.
So both these girls, you're convinced these are women?
Yes.
Okay.
Can even bagqoke nje impahla njengomuntu nje. Hayi ukuthi maybe inyawo zibonakala. They are just human, but they disappear. This one. Lo bephuma mayisehamba. Azwakala vala umnyango ekamereni lakhe ahambe ephasejini kude kwi-front door, aphelele front door, angaphumi ngegate. Okay, ashaya icapha ke that very same night ubaba la ekhaya ekhona. 4:00 aphume. Enze lento ayenzayo, anyamalale lapha eminyango. Mazithi 5:00 ubaba la ekhaya aphume, azange asho ukuthi uyapi. Waphuma wangena egarage, thatha imoto wahamba.
Isigwili lesesikhuluma
Yeah.
ngaso. Okay.
Mntakabani. Elizambani lika 2 rand.
Yeah.
Yeah. Makabuya beka ngathi possessed. Bekasu umuntu olengumjwayele. Beka like hlangene. Athi hayi auntie ngivuke ngaya emangcwabeni. Kumngami ngathi mina oh yabona, I was just thinking that maybe he misses him. Yabona uyamkhumbula. Yabona ngiphume kuye. That was the last day leso sipoko singena. Both of them, umama lo pregnant na lo mahambe shaya icapha ekamereni lakhe. That was the last day.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay.
That was the last day.
Okay, Stano, Mjem.
Baba,
Yeah.
every day since so much. Ayikho into leyo oyithatha ukuthi ukwazi ukulalela kahle umntwana njalo uyathandaza ekuthani ukuthi uzijabule.
Yeah.
Yakhona i-environment lokabali nonganesikilomali nje.
Yeah, bekunormally because there's something that I understand ukuthi kuna mimoya ongeke ukwazi ukuyixosha that much if they've got a legal right. Le mimoya inama categories. If they have the authority and the legal right from that ground, when coming from the other, you won't be able to cast them out. When ungaba sharp, ukuthi, okay, fine, let them do whatever. Because I don't know ukuthi what is going on. The person who knows is the head of the house.
Tothi yiwo maybe le mimoya bebadala kahle umholo wakho.
Okay.
So yeah, nezinto let me say like ezama rituals. Ngeke ngitshela ukuthi ngenzani kwami, whether ubhuti wami or usisi wami or i-friend yami. When uzongibona ngihuma getting rich without knowing ukuthi
So abamtshelanga ukuthi ashite bengakhrinyiwa lapha zangisuse.
zange ngitshele leyo.
ayizange yenzeke.
ngeke yenzeka kayi-1 that day.
So after, oh, Maquphe,
So that man, after encounter yakhe, isifusile naye ekamereni lakhe, azange waba right.
Kusho ukuthi wayengekho right because azange akhulume angene ekamereni lethu athi anti ngisaphuma ngihambe. Kusho ukuthi he was fuming. Imagine one day yena. Mina, how many days I've been living with that thing in the house? It was the 4th month.
So after I had the one already, that thing never came back.
Yes, that's why I was saying it has a legal right, because I could pray. If it doesn't go, that means I've got no right to cast it because I don't know what is the root of it.
It's not even so far khona ukuthi ngafuna ucosha izinto mina.
Yeah, kusho ukuthi into yakhona le. Mina just came to help, so I must continue with that office.
And you never find out until what happened to those people.
No.
okay,
And
Stando Sam, take us through after he came back from the graveyard.
okay. When he came back from the graveyard, as I said, ukuthi wangitshela bekahlangahlangene like umuntu ongathi possessed. I didn't want to be next to him or just listen to him ngendlela kade eyiyo. Ngavele nje yabona, amnikeza nje a space ngaqhubeka nezinto engizenzayo because it was Saturday. Angithi ngifike Friday. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Sorry guys. I thought we couldn't. Sorry guys. Wanna pop. Sorry about that.
Okay.
Yes,
So
Thomas.
I just made sure Guti, I keep a distance.
You avoiding the
Yeah,
community.
yeah, because I don't know Guti what is wrong and what is what. So when I was looking at all of this, what was happening, I saw something in common. Something clicked into my mind, Guti, there's something wrong. And this thing that is wrong, it has to do with the rituals. Why the woman, umama like angithi, when he passed away, was pregnant.
Oh.
Ebuya eyalapha. And that lady again, who came to me, standing there,
Was a pregnant lady.
was a pregnant woman.
Okay. So
So-
there's a link there.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
cool.
I just ngahlanganisa 12x squared plus y squared is equal to. Ngabona ukuthi now it's adding up. Because ezinye izinto baba umakhulukhulu God allows you purposely to happen and akufake kuzo. It's not you that you are there. Whatever thing that you going through there, he is there. There's something that afuna ukuyi-reveal. So after that time, I just understood ukuthi not all the riches comes with a clean money. Why the first fiance just decided to cheat? Why the wife passed away? And why was that other spook, the pregnant woman, came into the house? That means anything that has to do with the wife for that guy has to go for the sacrifice.
Hang on, stand some. So local. Before bazoshada ukuthi wenzani?
Cheat.
Wachida. And waphela indaba yomshado. Okay.
So ngimtshele kubaba lo ukuthi I won't be helping for long because I can see ukuthi 1 + 1 kwenza 11 la. wathi hawu auntie ngathi mina hayi sikawara I'll find out emsebenzini first ne, but mina I was already ngiqedile. Then it comes a time where abuya, he was passing somewhere, and then he got these places that side of Abo Mpumalanga. When you're going to our area, you need to hike. Ayikho transport there. Athi umthole lapho usisi afika naye that day. Lo sisi uzohlala e-back room ne, uzoya esikoleni ngoba ufunda esikoleni ecampusini. It's not far, it's only 5 minutes walk from endlini.
Okay.
Then if usisi lo afika into eyangimangaza ukuthi ufike nebag, akabukeki njengomuntu ofundayo, because kufanele afike nezitofa ngithi ama-2 plate, afike nezincwadi and whatsoever. Wahlala ngale e-back roomini. Ubaba wahamba ne, ngamtshela usisi lo ngoba wayesedelela. Wayesedelela. Bengiphekisa ngale or ngipheke mina ngimphakele ne. Wadelela in such a way that maybe kwakuyi girlfriend yakhe, and she's thinking that I'm the girlfriend as well. So ngathi sis ngizocela usuke lapha kwa auntie ne, uzohlala la endlini, you'll help la endlini, mina ngizohlala le ngaphandle njengo auntie, angithi ngo auntie. Hayi wangena futhi ukungena kwakhe wayengangeni in such a way that uyesaba uyamangala why I just did that. Wangena nje with boldness, yabona. Wangena waba feel at home. Hayi ngayihlalela first night ngilele ngale kwa auntie, there was a voice that say ungashayi, ungapheli 3 days ula ekhaya. And angangayinaka ngathi because it says it has been a lot of things that were going on, maybe I don't know. Ngilale mangilala, that voice ibelesel. Before ngivuke ekuseni, that voice ithi today lingashoni ilanga ungahambanga, if awuhambi uzophuma ngebox.
That was the 3rd day.
Before the 3rd day, the 2nd day.
The 2nd day.
Yes.
Okay.
What today lingashoni ilanga la. Just pick up the call, ngamtshela ngathi sengiyahamba ubaba la ekhaya. Ha uhamba kanjani? Ngaphuma kuye because ngizwe kahle voice and it was clear.
But who's saying that?
Angithi abantu kuthiwa bathi hey ngizwe enye inhliziyo yami ithi nenye inhliziyo ithi, there's no such a thing. God can speak to us through DNA yakhe ayifake kithi. You must be sharp enough, like sensitive, discerning, ukuthi this voice, it's a voice of God, because it won't give you doubts. It's loud and clear. Fonela omunye umama ngicela ungisize uzongilandela impahla zami ngizozithatha kuwe mina. Sengiyahamba la ekhaya, wafika kwawukuhamba kwami. But I got ama-threats amaningi from ubaba la ekhaya.
Usigwili lo.
Isigwili.
Wenzani mama usigwili?
I don't know, ngifana nawo.
Umsebenzi wakhe.
Umsebenzi wakhe, he was the makhulu bus on other companies that I won't even mention.
Okay.
Yes. Makhulu bus. If he is moving around the world, you can imagine ukuthi lo muntu behleli kuyi-position yiphi.
So tell me, the house was a beautiful house.
It was the beautiful house. And the cars, bekungama last numbers on that time. Bekuneyimoto kade zihleli nje egarage azishile uhamba neyi-1.
Ama-last number kuphela imoto.
Yes. Even the wives.
Ngisemakhishini.
Wamthengela naye imoto.
Kule Mpumalanga or around Joburg.
That place that I was telling you about.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So the voice tells on the second day,
Yes.
off you go.
Yes.
Usisi ngale ndlini yena.
Loyo uhleli ngikusho ukuthi kwakhe manje. Ngamtshela ukuthi sengivayile. Bye bye. Ngimfonelile ubaba ukuthi ngihambile. Wasala kanjalo ngazi ukuthi kwasale kwenzakalani, but 2 years back omunye mama besikhonza naye wangitshela mina ngimbuza umfana lo wangangumgadi ukuthi eSunday school usengakanani, because I don't think ukuthi bese Sunday school anymore on that year. Wathi hayi ubaba wakhe wathengisa indlu leya Spoko place, and then he find another site wakha around that place. Waphuma lapha.
Okay. You said something very interesting. You said it's not all the riches
Yes.
that comes with clean money.
Yes.
Ngisacela uyithi fahla ngokwazi kwakho ukuthi okay, what isn't money just money? Because you can't tell it. If I can take out the 20 rand, you can't say Sipho that money it's dirty money, it's clean money.
Yeah, because it's very deep leyo nto leyo. It's spiritual.
It's spiritual.
Yes.
Okay.
Because on that time yabona le ndaba zomathwala. What we call this thwala abantu babe nenyoka abomamlambo and stuff like that. It was not popular.
Okay.
It was rare. Besingazi mangabe uhumile nje wena urich asazi ukuthi amfoka Hadebe hayi kanti asazi ukuthi there's something behind that.
Okay. Yeah, Steno Sam Sixville. Operator, as you're watching, please just let us know what you think. Nango mamushili ndaba yake. Just interact with us and tell us what you think. If you adhere and you agree with the mama or you disagree, just let us know. Just let us know what you're thinking. Ma, siyabonga. Sibonga kakhulu to come through and to share your story with us. I'm even tempted to ask you, but because of his cut, I hope we'll have more length in time so that we can go into other aspects of the spiritual part that you were sharing with you, not monies. I'm also interested to know that. But please don't forget once again to like and subscribe and definitely hit that notification button. And yes, do interact with us. We are happy to have you on the show. Biza abanye bafethu beze bazobukela uSipho Hadebe wenza umsebenzi wakhe adume ngawo. Bafethu siyashisa, siyangena, siyenza into esiyenzayo. Sibonga nje ukuthi nina manje lapha emakhaya you are able to talk to with us and we are talking with you. Guys, you know, much love. Soweto Podcast is still alive. It's in the space, it's in your home, it's in your communities, it's in your offices. Yeah, le mahwara shebela bafethu overseas ka fela kan khela ba re tseba, re etsa holo. Yeah, siyabonga bafethu. Sipho Hadebe, that's my name. I love you because I know that you love me. Thank you, Buffett. Remember, guys, before I let you go, I want to emphasize this. The Pranav system, it is for free. So what is it going to be? Are you a winner or a loser? I'll check you on the winning side.